The Varo Believe secured credit card is built for one thing: helping people build or rebuild credit safely. It works by letting users spend only the money they have already set aside in a linked secured account, meaning there is no risk of interest or surprise debt. There is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and 0% APR. On top of that, it reports every payment to all three major credit bureaus, giving responsible users a real chance to see their score climb, often within just a few months. Approval does not require a credit check, so it is open to anyone, even those with no credit history or a damaged score. Its strongest advantage is that it is designed to keep users from falling into debt traps. The Safe Pay feature automatically pays the balance in full from the secured funds each month, eliminating late payments and interest charges entirely. Flexible limits mean users can decide exactly how much they want available for spending with no minimum deposit required, making it easier to stay within budget. However, there are limits to what the card can do. It requires an active Varo Bank account and at least $200 in direct deposits in the past month to qualify, so it is not open to everyone. It does not provide borrowing power. Every dollar spent is prepaid, so it is not an emergency funding solution. Spending caps can also restrict larger purchases, and there are no rewards programs, which can make it less attractive for experienced cardholders who value earning perks. Once your credit improves, there is no direct upgrade path within Varo to move to an unsecured card, meaning future growth may require switching banks. In short, this card is perfect for anyone serious about building credit with zero risk of interest or hidden fees. It is secure, transparent, and built for long-term credit improvement, but it will not suit those seeking rewards or extra borrowing power. The key is using it consistently and responsibly, while keeping in mind that it is a stepping stone, not a lifelong financial tool.